January 9th holds profound historical significance in the annals of Bharat and the global narrative, witnessing pivotal events that have left an indelible mark on history. So, let's delve into the historical tapestry of January 9. On 9th January 1915, Mahatma Gandhi returned to Bharat with his wife Kasturba Gandhi. January 9 is celebrated as Pravasi Bharatiya Divas to commemorate the return of Mahatma Gandhi to Bharat from South Africa. This day is celebrated to honor the contribution of the overseas Bharatiya community in the development of Bharat. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas was established in the year 2003 on recommendation of the first non-Congress government of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. In the year 2015, it was amended and it was decided that it would be organized every 2 years. Let us tell you that more than 5 crore Bharatiyas live all over the world in more than 100 countries. Most of the NRIs live in America, followed by UAE, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, Myanmar, Britain, and then Canada. These Bharatiya immigrants settled in different countries are making the country proud. These NRIs in foreign countries are also playing an important role in determining the economic and political situation of those countries. Bharat has the largest number of immigrants in the world. On January 9, 1982, the first Bharatiya expedition team reached the icy continent of Antarctica. This expedition was started in 1981 and the team had a total of 21 members. The goal of this mission was to conduct scientific research here. The journey of this team started from Goa on December 6, 1981, and the team returned to Goa from Antarctica on February 21, 1982. On January 9, 1922, Dr. Hargobind Khurana was born in Raipur village of the Punjab province of United Bharat. Dr. Hargobind Khurana played a special role in laying the foundation of biotechnology. His contribution paved the way for advancements in the field of genetic engineering and biotechnology. Not only this, in 1972, Dr. Khurana created the world's first artificial gene. Dr. Khurana's works are still seen as the foundation of research in the field of genetics. Dr. Hargobind Khurana, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1968. On January 9, 1927, Sundarlal Bahuguna, an environmental thinker and a prominent leader of the Chipko movement, was born in Uttarakhand. In the year 1972, Sundarlal Bahuguna gave a new direction to the Chipko movement. He laid a new foundation for this movement and inspired the country and the world to conserve forests. It was due to the efforts of Sundarlal Bahuguna that the Chipko movement gained worldwide recognition, the result of which was that this movement got the support of environment lovers and people engaged in environmental protection all over the world. After which, the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi had to bring the Forest Conservation Law. Even the central government had created a separate Ministry of Forest and Environment. Due to the Chipko movement, Sundarlal Bahuguna became famous worldwide by the name of Vrikshamitra. On January 9, 1793, the world's first hydrogen-filled balloon took flight. It was launched by French aeronaut Jean-Pierre Blanchard from Walnut Street Jail in Philadelphia, City of America. President George Washington witnessed this launch. This balloon also had various scientific instruments and a small dog on it. Blanchard also sold tickets to view the balloon launch.